Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today I want to talk about something serious for a change, and that is the rise of anti-Semitism in our Western society. Pretty much all of modern day anti-Semitism has come about because of Kanye West. Now, I'm all for free speech, but I don't agree with Kanye's views on Nazism or loving Nazism, or pretty much any view he has on this topic. But do take note of how absolutely nobody is saying that Kanye's wrong. They all just want him to shut the fuck up. But it's too late. His anti-Semitic rhetoric has leaked into the US justice system. And now the US justice system is on the hunt for the biggest Jew that they can find, and that just happens to be Sam Bankman-Fried at this point in time. If you didn't realize, he's got the name Bankman and Fried. He's obviously not Palestinian, otherwise he'd be dead. He's got two Jewish names, which makes him effectively a super Jew. He is the equivalent of Robin Hood to the Jewish community. He takes from the poor and he gives to the rich. And honestly, I think we should let Sam Bankman-Fried go. Because what has he done wrong? What has he done wrong? He's created some offshore trading platforms out of the reach of financial regulators. So what? So what? To me, that makes him a marketing genius. Who's in the wrong if I start buying unregulated assets on an offshore account where I have absolutely no hope of getting any of my money back, and I'm starting to buy ones and zeros of shitty drawn ape JPEGs? Who's in the wrong here? He didn't make me buy them. I'm the fucking moron that bought them off the Cayman Islands or wherever the fuck this trading platform is. But don't get me wrong, I don't think Sam should be absolved of all crimes. He should absolutely be charged for bestiality, for sticking his dick in Carolyn Ellison. I mean, he's practically done the equivalent of a lifetime of community service by keeping that beast off the streets and under his sheets. But he really has to do some time for bestiality, because that's fucked up. Now, I know what you're thinking, Demon, I didn't click in this video to listen to some misogyny shit. And look, this isn't hate because Carolyn Ellison is a woman. It's because she's a fucking criminal that happens to be repulsively ugly and committed financial crimes and stole fucking untold amounts of money. Now, if she was hot, she'd be the victim in this scenario. She'd be the damsel in distress that did unspeakable financial crimes by her unfortunately unattractive yet extremely wealthy lover. But no. She's actually so fucking disgusting that apparently nobody can comprehend how Sam Bankman-Fried stuck his dick in that UNESCO heritage-listed swamp pussy. Because you know she doesn't look after herself. You know this, right? Look at her head. Now imagine the parts that you can't see. So Sam's got to be a sadist, right? Putting his dick in that. He's worth billions and billions and billions of dollars at one point. And the best pussy he could get was attached to a melted Muppet that looks like the daughter of Jeffrey Dahmer. She's one liver tasting away from being a fucking serial killer. Anyway, I don't think Sam goes to prison anyway, because he's one of the biggest donors of the Democratic Party. And this is a fact. I'm not fucking around. This isn't a joke. He's the second largest donor to the Democratic Party. So if he goes to prison, where else are the Democrats going to get their money from? The Biden voters don't have any money. They've blown all their cash on gender transitions. And the Democrats don't have any money to pay off the justice system because they're too busy funding a war in the Ukraine so that the Russians change their pronouns to were and was. So please, take your time out of your day and sign this change.org petition to let our favorite super Jew free, Sam Bankman-Fried.